Hello everyone, here is Dr. Sandhu from Business Management and Research channel. In this video, you will learn what is Technopreneurship. Table of contents, we will discuss what is Technopreneurship, key characteristics of Technopreneurship. It includes technology focus, innovation, entrepreneurial mindset, business acumen, and final thought. So, what is Technopreneurship? The term technopreneurship combines the words technology and entrepreneurship and describes the process of establishing and running a company that is primarily concerned with utilizing technology and innovation to develop novel products, services, or processes. Applying entrepreneurial knowledge and practices to the creation and commercialization of technology-based business is known as technopreneurship. Technopreneurs are people who spot market niches where technology can be applied to address customer needs or solve problems. They create, innovate ideas, and successfully launch businesses using their technical expertise, creativity, and business savvy. Technopreneurs frequently have a vision for how their businesses will disrupt existing industries, introduce new technologies, or affect positive social change. Now we will discuss key characteristics of technopreneurship. There are 4 points, and we will discuss all 4 points. The first point is technology focus. Technopreneurs are primarily concerned with technologically driven solutions. They take advantage of advances in fields such as information technology, biotechnology, artificial intelligence, robotics, and others to develop products or services that give them a competitive advantage. Then comes innovation. Technopreneurship prioritizes innovation in both technology and business models. Technopreneurs strive to create unique and disruptive ideas that will set their ventures apart from the competition. Entrepreneurial mindset. Technopreneurs have the mindset and characteristics of traditional entrepreneurs, such as risk taking, recognizing opportunities, resourcefulness, resilience, and a willingness to learn from failures. They are motivated by the desire to start and grow profitable businesses. Final point, business acumen. Technopreneurs learn business skills such as marketing, finance, operations, and management in addition to their technical expertise. They recognize the significance of market research, customer validation, scalability, and profitability in building long term businesses. So, these were the 4 main characteristics of technopreneurship. Final thought, technopreneurship is essential for advancing technology, driving economic expansion, and creating jobs. By bringing technology driven ideas to market, it promotes the creation of new technologies, stimulates innovation, and contributes to the overall entrepreneurship ecosystem. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Best of luck.